CB, your comparison to black holes shows a misunderstanding of both the scientific method and the difference between hard science and soft speculative hypotheses. In hard science, we rely on measurable data, mathematical predictions, repeatable observations, and falsifiable models. Black holes meet these standards because we can detect gravitational waves, observe stellar motion that matches the equations of general relativity, record the radiation patterns caused by accretion, and even produce direct images of event horizons that match independent predictions made long before the technology existed. These observations are repeatable and verifiable across multiple telescopes and research teams. That is the opposite of your claim. Abiogenesis and large-scale evolutionary origin stories do not have direct observation, do not have repeatable experiments, and do not have predictive equations that can be tested independently. They rest on inference and reconstruction, which makes them soft science or in many cases simple hypotheses. When you say my standards would eliminate black holes, you show a logical fallacy called false equivalence, because you compare a theory with measurable predictions to a belief that has no demonstrated mechanism. You also rely on ridicule rather than evidence, which is an appeal to emotion. Hard science produces results that any lab or observatory can verify, while soft science or historical speculation depends on interpretation and narrative. When I apply the scientific method to origins, it is not because I want a particular answer, but because science demands that every claim stand on measurable evidence. You are defending an idea with no observation and no replication while calling it equal to a field grounded in mathematics and data. That reveals ignorance of how science works and a desire to protect a belief rather than test it. Thanks for watching.